¿Qué es lo que se ve ahí atrás del palo, güey? ¡Eso, güey!
Let's go.
Welcome to the San Andreas. My name's Dean. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, mind-bending. Wow!
That's right, kid.
Oh no! Wait, how did I have anxiety? I made an anxiety joke!
Who are you people?
My name is Gustav.
Where am I?
Say he wanted to get his junk down jiggle snack up ate it and fuck with me not on seas. Baby boy said jickle line my jickle you until I sleep will snack up ends. Pongnella snacks. You wanna see that alcohol burners man snacks, but no cuddle and snack up ends? Junk down snack up ends. Who's not the Asians? Junk not the Asians. Who's not the Asians? Yes sir, who's not the ends?
No, my dear, we can't have any of that foul language around here.
Whatever you say, kid.
They broke my comedy mask.
So, kid.
Off we go! Here we have the This is where you're living. All sorts of other activities. And here we have the grounds! Drown yourself in the digital lake. Hidery at the digital carnival. Stay right here, where I can keep my
Fucking pain.
It would be so awesome. It would be so
Don't you worry your little head. Your new name can be anything.
I'm over here stroking my dick. I got lotion on my dick right now. I'm just stroking my shit.
5 minutes ago.
You! Do you like adventure? Activity? Wonder? Nature? Porn? Angel food cake? Ow! All mischievous critters that steal anything and everything they run into. Why do these backgrounds do this? How do you stop them? That's for you to find out. Now, good luck and have fun, pilots!
Mis deseos de pelear me levantarán con son muy grandes. Después de eso, los derrotaré.
Do you think pairing them up together is a good idea?
Of course I do. They're the two most mentally stable and capable characters to be paired together.
My comedy mask is broken again.
Sure, there'll be one for... Oh, look. You already got one. What might be that terrible thing I was talking about earlier when you reach your breaking point? Huh?
For the adventure or anything. I'm just here to hide from the...
An alert on my Wacky Watch at this hour?
Get ready to receive some Holy Spirit.
Oh no! Someone's venturing out into the void! They'll get
Yo no moriré. No importa que mi cuerpo sea destruido por completo. Mis deseos de pelear.
There you go!
Plap, 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 plap. Get pregnant, get pregnant.
Now what the heck happened around here? Oh yeah, my doing.
Kane!
Kappa went through a sort of drink or sleep in this digital world. So the digital food here only gives off the virtual sensation of eating without any of the nutritional benefits.
Sheesh, lay off it. Since when are you an expert on the digital world?
Expert on the what?
C'est un Freddy Fazbear. C'est un Freddy Fazbear. Oh là là. C'est un Freddy Fazbear. C'est un Freddy Fazbear. C'est un Freddy Fazbear. Oh là là. C'est un Freddy Fazbear.